Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Tantaly review. I have a Britney doll. It's amazing. Who is Tantaly? Tantaly is a well-known brand with over 7 years of experience, specializing in realistic torso dolls. From my experience, they really pay attention in quality and details, which perfectly matches their slogan is the real and the real. So let's open and we'll see. It's a big box. Oh, look at this. You have a magazine and the picture is really incredible. Oh my god, look at this. This is incredible. Oh my god, it's so realistic. It's beautiful. It's amazing. I like it. She has a big boots, a really big boots. She looks so incredible. She feels so good. Incredible. I have a great view. Rings have amazing light. His back is really good. I like it. If you enjoyed this doll as much I did, you should really check out Tantaly's website. They have so many different dolls, and I really sure you will find one that's perfect for you. I left the Tantaly's link in my description. Uh, if you enjoy this doll just like me, you can use my code MEAL for 10% off your order. So let's see in the next video.